Let's be real, Binance has a ton of tools, menus, and settings. It's easy to get overwhelmed. But in that complexity lie powerful features most traders completely overlook. These aren't gimmicks, they're tools used by pros to maximize gains and protect funds. Let's break them down. Most people only use Binance for buying and selling crypto, but what if I told you it can do a lot more? In this video, we're diving into 3 genius features inside Binance you probably didn't know existed. Features that can boost your security, help you earn passive income, and take your crypto game to the next level. First up, Binance Convert. Unlike spot trading, there are 0 fees and no slippage if you're converting smaller amounts. It's ideal for beginners or anyone looking to make quick swaps without dealing with charts or limit orders. This is perfect if you want to quickly change your one coin into another at the market rate without placing an order. But here's the thing, it's not ideal for large trades since liquidity might affect the final rate. Still, for up to 10K, it's surprisingly efficient. To use it, just go to Trade and Binance Convert. Choose your crypto pair, preview the rate, and click Convert. Done in seconds, no charts, no hassle. Next up, Auto Compound. Found inside Binance Earn, this setting automatically reinvests your daily earnings. Most users miss it, but it's one click that makes your yield grow exponentially over time. Let's say you're earning 5% APY on USDT. With daily compounding, that jumps to 5.13% plus. Sounds small, but over months, the gains stack up. Auto Compound quietly boosts your returns without you lifting a finger. Go to Binance Earn, Simple Earn, your product. Tap the Auto Compound switch. Done. It works in the background every single day. Now, let's talk security. Binance has an anti-phishing code, a unique word or phrase you set. It shows up in all legit Binance emails so you can instantly spot fakes. And the withdrawal whitelist? Only wallets you trust can receive your crypto. If a hacker gets in, they're still locked out. Scams are getting smarter. Emails look real. But if you don't see your anti-phishing code, don't click anything. Just setting this code can prevent a catastrophic loss. Here's how. Go to your Binance dashboard, security, anti-phishing code, enter your custom word like Satoshi777. For withdrawal whitelist, enable it under the same section. Simple moves that save lives. Well, your crypto at least. So, quick recap. Binance Convert fast, free, no fuss swap, auto compound in earn, grow more by doing less. Anti-phishing code plus whitelist. The security combo every trader should enable. Which of these surprised you the most? Have you used any of them before? Drop a comment and let me know. These tools are there, but most never tap into them. If this video helped you unlock some hidden Binance powers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. New crypto tutorials drop every week. Don't miss out. CTA summary, like, comment, subscribe. Comment, which feature was your favorite? Watch next. How to earn passive income on Binance.